Congratulations dun sa visa. Nakakatuwa kasi parang in a few days pa lang, hit na, no? What's the story behind? Something personal daw ito for you guys?
Opo, sobrang personal na siya kasi alam niyo na po, we've been going for how many months, tapos kakabalik lang po namin. And nagawa po yung kita habang nagsushoot kami ng endorsement sa brand. Tapos syempre babalik na naman kami sa trip. It's something that we really like to talk about. We really like to introduce sa mga tao para pag-usapan. Yun po, yun naman nagsisimula lahat.
Visa issue ito, Pablo.
Marami po kasi times na may mga na-deny po sa amin. May mga studies na hindi sila nakamit. So, it's really hard for Filipino representatives then sa mga athletes natin gawin yung best nila kapag nagkakaroon ng mga ng klase ng so, gusto po sana namin na we're urging this thing maybe gusto naman yung pwede makatulong sa diskusyon na talagang mapadali yung para naman sa mga Filipino na nagre-represent.
Pablo, maraming fans yung nagsasabi, ang tapang at ang galing daw ng SB19 for releasing the song at first single niyo for 2026. Your thoughts?
Hindi po sa atin. Parang kami naman po, we always, hindi naman kami ever really safe. But if we have something to say, we have a platform, we will use it para makatulong sa kung sino man sa Philippines, syempre, kasi gusto talaga namin makilala yung Philippines all over the world. That's what we have been doing for the longest time, ever since we started as SB19. Syempre, ito yung mga ganitong bagay, sa maliit na parte ito na pwedeng makatulong talaga. Hindi lang sa amin, but sa lahat ng Philippines na nag-represent sa bansa.
Pablo, on Feb 28, magbubukas na yung ticket selling for Wakas sa Simula World Tour. Ang trilogy concert. Without spoiling, can you give us a glimpse of what 18 can expect dun sa concert ninyo sa SMBC?
Paano ba? Siguro a whole new world.
Wow.
Hindi kasi kami, hindi lang kami nagpa-perform. It's not just visual, it's not just a song. But it's a whole experience. Siguro kung na-experience na nila yung previous Simula at Wakas tour namin, it's better than that. Way, way better than that. It's the best concert that they're ever going to watch. So kami rin as SB, really, really excited to present kung ano yung namin. And then the team, enforcing that we have for sure mag-i-enjoy.
Congrats, Pablo. Thank you, Pablo.